Since the start of this year, Bitcoin BTC has seen its price explode higher. Year to date, the leading cryptocurrency has posted a gain of nearly 30%, surging from the $7,000s to the $9,250 in a few weeks' time. This seemingly marks a decisive end to the 50% downtrend that plagued Bitcoin throughout the second half of 2019, for positive technical signals have been flashing over the past few days, implying further reversal, some say. Cryptocurrency trader Brent or Blockchain Blitz recently noted that Bitcoin's daily chart just registered a key technical signal. The 50-day moving average just today crossed above the 100-day moving average, creating a bull cross formation. He notes that in the past 8 times this technical signal was seen since 2014, a rip upward followed. Indeed, NewsBTC's own analysis of this specific moving average cross found that this last took place when BTC was at $5,800 in early 2019, and preceded a 140% move higher. There are also the other historical instances Brent pointed to in his chart. That's far from the only technical signal to have recently suggested Bitcoin's rally is just starting. Trader Coiner earlier this week gave a confluence of 25 factors why Bitcoin may restart a bull trend. Some of those are as follows, as covered by this outlet, not to mention some of the most prominent traders, in that they have been historically accurate, have touted bullish sentiment over recent weeks. Case in point, Smart Contractor, who famously called the $3,200 Bitcoin bottom for 2018 literal months before it took place, said that there is a high likelihood of Bitcoin breaking $14,000 by the middle of 2020, likely around or just after the time of the block reward reduction in May 2020. While there are these signs, not everyone is convinced that Bitcoin will continue higher from here. Per previous reports from NewsBTC, Bitfinex's top publicly known trader, J0E007, recently said that market trends are formed by supply-demand imbalances and backed by fiat-in-outflows. J0E007 continued in a later tweet that, "I'll believe it when I see the fiat inflows," suggesting that he isn't seeing the market data to back Bitcoin's 50% rally from the $6,400 bottom in the past 50-odd days. He affirmed this sentiment further down in the same Twitter thread, noting that the Tether's flatlining market capitalization is hard to explain from a position that we're in the middle of a new bull market, and that Grayscale's inflow data doesn't convince him there is enough demand to absorb the mine supply.